Today is my 44th birthday for 2026. Happy birthday to myself. Ang wish ko lang sa aking sarili, good health, at makarecover na yung aking sickness. So, guys, thank you for all my friends who always there for me, my family, always support me, and my loving boyfriend, soon to be my husband. Thank you for everything, guys. I love you all. Happy birthday. Thanks again for another year, guys. Thank you. Hope God's give you uh, more longer life for my birthday today, for my life, for my health. I hope it will be recovered soon. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, Marvel Galapia. I hope you always enjoy my videos. Hindi po ako nag-upload ng marami kasi busy ako time. Ngayon, dahil 44th birthday ko, nag-wish ako at nag-message or nag-video dahil gusto ko ipagpatuloy din yung pagbablog ko soon. Thank you and have a nice morning to everyone.